Char! Char! Hey there, it's Leslie at Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and I made these Charmander Pokemon cookies for my nephew's birthday, so let me show you how I did it. And I started by using my projector to transfer this design, but you could also use the paper piecing or tissue paper method, and I'll leave a link in the description for a video on how you would do that. And so I'm just going to go ahead and outline the eyes with my royal icing. I'm using a detailed consistency black royal icing. And then I'm going to flood it in using a flood consistency white icing. I'll use my scribe to settle this icing down and make sure it gets all the way down to the cookie. And I'll do the same thing for the other eye. And then I'm just going to make little dots for teeth. And I'm using my white flood icing, but you could also use a detailed consistency. And then I'm just going to take my scribe and shape them into little triangles. And then I'm going to set Charmander aside to dry for about 20 minutes, and then I'll come back in with my flood consistency orange icing, and I will outline and flood him in. My icing consistency is about a 15-second consistency, which is what I prefer to work with. It allows me to use the same icing for both outlining and flooding. I'm just going to carefully go around his eyes here, and then I'll go around the rest of his head and flood that in. And because my icing is a little bit thicker, I can go all the way to the edge. And then I'll use my scribe to further move the icing out to the edge and to further settle it down as needed. And I'll take a look for any air bubbles and make sure I pop those too. And then I'll set this cookie back aside to dry. And once it's completely dry, I'm going to use my projector to trace the eyes and the eyebrows and so forth onto the cookie. And I'm just using an edible marker and some gel food color and a paintbrush to do the eyes. So I have to say I really enjoyed making this Pokemon set. My kids used to watch Pokemon and play Pokemon, and in fact my son learned how to read from a Pokemon video game, and he couldn't wait for mom and dad to help him play. So this was just super fun and nostalgic to make this set. What's your favorite Pokemon? Mine was always Meowth, because a cat that walks, how cool is that? Anyway, be sure to hit that subscribe button so that you can catch the next Pokemon video in the series, because you're going to want to catch them all. See you next time.